Hey guys, look at this beautiful car. Hey guys, so on my separate video I just recorded this car rolling in.
How you doing?
Car's like a thunderstorm when it rolled in, guys. These back tires, back rims. Hey guys, hey Ben. I'm gonna try to get the guy in camera too. Wait just a minute. Man, it's beautiful, guys. Dang it. That sounded just like thunder when this car rolled. I love your car, man.
Hey, thanks, man. How you been?
Pretty good. How about you?
Pretty good.
Comment, like, and subscribe, guys.